Hello traders, I'm back with one more very interesting video. So I was actually not active in the trading, so sorry for not making the videos, but this video will change your thought process. All right, the as the slide says, don't trade by predicting. Seriously guys, don't trade by predicting. You are not God, I am not God. No one can predict the market. So what should we do? We should trade with data. So this video will change your thought process. Believe me, don't skip the video, right? Watch it from starting till the end. At least you learn something new, right? Believe me, you will trade like an institutional traders once you watch this video. I'll show you all the proofs. Okay, so let me take you to my telegram channel. Okay, so if you look at this telegram channel, maybe right on 25th of October, okay, on 25th of October I said every good instrument has to kiss the 200 moving average. This is the rule, the picture perfect, right? So 25th of October, today we are on 7th of November guys. Okay, so when I shared this chart, I clearly said, right, I clearly said every good instrument has to kiss the 200 moving average. This is the rule, the picture perfect. Now the picture perfect. Now see why the price has to touch the 200 moving average. If someone waits for these candles to come and kiss the 200 moving average, then you are not a good trader, right? There was some reason, right? I said it has to touch the 200 moving average. See, golden rule is like whenever you see, check this one guys, check this one. When the price took the 200 moving average, it went up, again it came down, it took the 200 moving average support, then it made a rally, again it had a false breakdown. Again, if you look at this thing, it took the 200 moving average, and this is history, right? But now the price again went up, it is standing here. I said it might touch the 200 moving average looking at the past history. All right, let me show you what made me to tell saying that this would touch. One second guys, there is some issue with my, so now let me take you to this tool called Contra. Okay, pay attention guys. When was that? October 25th. See, October 25th I said 200 moving average, I mean the price, a nifty price can touch the 200 moving average. So before that, right, 28th it was short, 23 it was short. People were shorting. When I say people, the big players, the retailers, ideally people like you and me, we cannot take the market upside or downside. We are not movers and shakers, believe me, right? It's only the big players who can take the market up or down. They cannot manipulate, but at least they can play with the retailers by taking the market up or down, right? Since from 28th it was making short, and even on 25th it was short, right? Looking at the previous trend, there were like long unwinding. Check this logo, what do we say, the resembleness, right? There was long unwinding short, and there was only 1 day long. So basically, even if I look at the past data, long unwinding, meaning people are either booking their profit or booking their losses. People who went long, so when they do the long unwinding, they will become a short time seller, temporary seller, right? This is genuine seller. There was only one long, temporary seller, because long unwinding, people who went long previously, I do not see any longs here. Everywhere there are short built up, but people who went long, they are doing long unwinding in terms of booking their profit or booking their losses. So what is long unwinding, right? Once someone went long, if they want to exit their position, they have to do the long unwinding. Got it? So here they were buyers, but now to exit from their position, they should become sellers. So since from so many days I see sellers, I mean long unwinding is an indication of sellers, temporary sellers getting added, sellers, right? There were sellers, there were long, only 1 day, this was an exceptional day, right? There were shorts, long unwindings, genuine sellers, genuine shorters till 25th. That's the reason I said it might go and touch the 200 moving average. Okay, that's what has happened guys, right? Finally, let me take you to this thing, right? Let me take you back, and this is what. So on day, right, when was this? On day 26, it technically came and touched the 200 moving average, right? Let me show you the data, right? 26, it touched the 200 moving average, same result, right? There, even on 26 there was long unwinding, meaning short temporary sellers, because again I'm telling you, because there could be some new traders. What is long unwinding? People who went long are doing the long unwinding to book their profit or to exit from their position with the losses. So they were buyers, now they are becoming a temporary sellers. Sorry guys, there is some issue with my mouse. They were buyers, now they are becoming sellers, right? And for the market to come down, what do we need? We need the combination of either shorts or long unwinding. That's it guys. We should not see longs, we should not see short covering also. See, what is short covering? Short covering is like people who went short, they were sellers. If they want to exit from their profit or loss, they will become buyers to exit. So we don't need this combination guys. This video is very important. This might go private, believe me. This is called trading with data, by not by predicting, by not assuming, by not getting influenced by others. You have to trade like a smart trader. There is no one called pro trader. Okay, short covering, we should have the combination of shorts and long unwind. That's what has been there since till 26. What happened after 26, right? What happened after 76? What did I say, right? We do not need the combination of short covering. I said that's what has happened on 27th. Short covering meaning people who went short here, people who went short here, people who went short here, boss, they have to book their profit, right? People who shorted here, they have to book their profit, right? So they were sellers basically. If they want to exit from their position with profit, they have to become temporary buyer. So that's what people started buying it here, right? And this is a combination of market can or market might go up. If you did not understand, pause the video, watch the first again from starting. You will get to know guys, you will get to know. Though it looks complicated first time, it looks complicated, decrease the video what do we say, the speed at 0.75, but follow the video. If you do not follow the video, you will exit the video. I know if you're exiting the video, you are losing something magic. Okay, now this is short covering, right? That's what I said, right? Let me take you to this thing, right? I said, see, market can go up, might go up. See, can will be different, right? Let me show you. When did I say, right? That's it. On, I said, what is this? This is IOC, my bad, right? Did I mention somewhere about the Nifty? Okay, forget about that guys. Okay, let me take you to Nifty, back to Nifty, the original trade. All right, original trade. Where is Nifty? All right guys, now check the magic, right? This was the point guys, this was the point. 26, I said Nifty might go up. I said Nifty might go up, but what is the reason? Only data? No, you have to back up this with price action, right? My data was showing there were like short coverings here, meaning temporary buyers will be getting it here. Temporary buyers will be because people who shorted here, people who shorted here, people who shorted here, people who shorted here, boss, they have to do the profit booking. So then they are doing short covering here, they are doing short covering guys. So that means they are becoming a temporary buyer. They were sellers here, they were sellers here, they were sellers here. Now they are becoming the buyer. The moment we get the buyers in the market, market might go up. I'm not telling that market will shoot up like this. I said market for temporary, it might go up. Sorry if I say will, it might go up. And what was a conviction for me? Yes, data was telling short covering. But believe me guys, you have to combine the data with the price action. So now if I plot 200 moving average, that's it. Market was literally standing like this guys. Market was standing like this on that day. I told to my students also in one of the groups saying that market might go up, because the data we see all these days they were like shorting, and all of a sudden we started seeing the short selling. That means there is temporary buyers, and also there is a great support of 200 moving average. Now we got it, the magic of 200 moving average, right? Last time it took the support here. Now check this guys, now check this, right? Last time it took the support here. One second, it took the 200 moving average separate, it made history. It took the 200 moving average support, it made the history. I mean, great momentum. It took the 200 moving average, it made. I'm not recommending you guys saying that just trade on 200 moving average. 200 moving average can tell you some sort of confirmation. It has to be combined with price action and data. Now what is the price action guys? What is the price action? Let me write, this is my price action. That's it guys, this is my price action. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you guys. When market was standing something like this, I said, boss, it's a 200 moving average support. Second thing, right, my price action. Third thing is the data. right? That's what has happened. See, check the magic, right? Market went up, and what happened? Market went up. That was a pullback. Again, market came down. See, market went up. All right, market went up, pullback, and market went up. Who knows, guys? Who knows, right? This is Diwali. That's what I said yesterday. This is Diwali, so big players will not disappoint the retailers. Right? See, I'm just telling, not a recommendation, I'm just telling. So maybe it all depends, right? Let's check the momentum of this market, right? We see this red candle, we see this, sorry, green candle, red, green, right? You should understand, boss, this green candle is the result of people going long. When I say people, the big players going long, or this is the result of short covering. Is this green candle the result of people going long, fresh buy, or this is result of short covering? This one, boss, this one, the red candle, is genuinely people are going for short, or is this the result of short covering? Sorry, a long unwinding, right? You have to check. So now let me take you to the history. Okay, so now 26th we saw there were like short covering, right? 26th there was like long unwinding, right? 27th there was short covering. Let me take you to this thing. Where is 27th? Right, 27, because of short covering the market went up. I repeat, because of short covering, not because of long. Because of short covering, market went up. Why? People who shorted from this position, this day, they are booking their profit. As a result, they are converting to temporary buyers. As a result, the market went up. What happened on 38th October? 38th October, again longs got built up. This is a good sign. This is a good sign, saying that market might go up, right? 30th October. Now check the beauty, right? 30th October, market went up, right? 2 days this made almost like 1%, and then this made almost like 0.50%, and even it went up, guys, even it went up. But all of a sudden, what happened on 31st October? 31st October, shorts. That doesn't mean that market will go down. Yes, there are shorts. That doesn't mean that that is a reversal. On 1st of November, there were shorts. That doesn't mean that there will be a reversal. This is where majority of the retailer will think, okay, now market will go down. It made a red candle, it will go down. Boss, you have to see what is the quantum. Yes, there were shorters on 31st October. There were shorters on 1st of November. Now let me show you some magical thing, right? Let me take you to future OI, right? Now check the Nifty, guys. 1 second. Let me show you Nifty. You are learning something, believe me, right? Something very new. Okay, I'll go to Nifty. Now check this, right? Now I'll go to absolute OI. I know things will become like pretty. Check this, right? I'll go to absolute OI. These two colors, right? 31st October, 1st November, though we see huge red candles, 31st October, and let's see what happened. 31st October, where is 31st October, guys, right? This one. 31st October, there was very low shorters were there. Though you see a huge red candle in the chart, but there were like small quantum, so small volume of shorters. Yes, the next day there was a big volume. So this was a decider. So now if you start seeing big red candles getting formed here or next day, right, then that would have given you a signal saying that, boss, market might go down. But this has not given you conviction. 31st October, check the dates here. 31st October, 1st November, yes, it made a big red candle. Now the follow-up candles are important, right? So now let me take you to the Nifty. Right, the moment I saw this thing, now I see there is a great support, right? The previous line which was acting as a resistance, now that might act as a support. This is the beauty of price action. Don't trade only on data or only on price action. You have to believe. So now when the Nifty was standing it here, if the next day we see the shorts getting built up, it would either come down and then it might take the support of the 200 moving average, or else who knows, it might bounce back from here. The next day it made, there were longs. That means this has acted as a strong support, right? Long, right? The next day it went long. 2nd November. Let's see what happened on 3rd November and 6th November. Boss, this is very important. What happened on 3rd November? 3rd November, there were short coverings, guys. Again, Try to understand, this was short covering, not longs. Even this was short covering, not longs. With short covering, the market went up. Try to understand. So looking at this entire built up, what is the view of the market? For me, still I see market as bearish to sideways view. I repeat, looking at this thing, check the combinations. You see more of reds, shorts getting built up. You see more of short covering getting built up. Check this. These are all short cover. Check the candle. Pause the video. Check the candle color. Too many reds and too many greens. I see hardly two longs. One small quantum, minute quantum, decent quantum, but you see more of reds, blues, and greens. I would say pale green. Right? Even if you want to see the cycle, go and check the cycle. Right? Go and check the cycle. This is the way this tool helps you like magic. Check the cycle. Just focus on this last one, Nifty. With your naked eyes, you can say the view of the market is sideways to bearish. Now let me show you that through chart. Let me show you that through chart. Okay, now let me delete all these things. Yes, absolutely right. Look at the chart, guys. Look at the chart. Right, this is making what? Right, this made a high, came down. This is a pullback. This made a lower high. Market came down. This made a low. Right now, even if this goes here, it will make a lower high. Then market might come down. I'm telling guys, might. I'm not telling that market has to take a resistance and come down. At times, if the global skews and everything becomes happy, then it might give the breakout. But for me, unless and until this eye is breached, what is this? This is a sort of falling wedge. Unless and until this eye is breached, this eye. Unless and until this eye is breached, retest. Until then, my view is sideways to bearish. Got it? This is making what? Falling wedge. High, lower high. This could be like again your lower high. That's the reason I'm telling, maybe till Diwali market might go up, that might resist something like, and then it might come down. But this is not a recommendation, guys. This is just for learning. Unless and until you have the view of the market, sustaining in the market is difficult. Now, who will help me here? Simple, boss. My data. My data will help me. Now, either I have to see more of shorts getting built up today or long unwinding. Who will do the long unwinding, boss? Who will do the long unwinding, right? Maybe people who might have bought it here, right? Maybe now people, they'll think that market is bullish. If they bought it here, if the market comes down, they will be doing long unwinding. So what is the reason of long unwinding? There will be like short, temporary shorters. So I need to see more of this combination. What is that? Either shorts or short long unwinding here, right? Short long unwinding, right? Follow up day, right? This is how your data will help you, guys. And the biggest thing, first of all, we should see there is volume or not. Believe me, this will help you, right? This is one of the tool in Contra, right? If I go to Nifty, right? If I go to Nifty, yes, there is low participation, meaning people are unwinding their position. Shorts, short covering, short covering. That's the reason you see the open interest is reducing. So we have only 33% of open. Check mid cap, it has almost 90% of the open interest. Now you tell me, given a chance, would you love to trade in mid cap Nifty or Nifty? Ideally I would say this one, because huge participation, 90%. What do we need, guys, for the market to go up or down? What do we need? We need the volume, we need the open interest. This tool will help you within a fraction of a second, guys. Again, I'm telling you, yes, I'm partnered with this tool. In case if someone wants to get this tool, believe me, this has changed my trading style. I'm showing you everything live, right? You can contact me for additional discounts. Okay, the link and everything is in the below description. If you want, you can contact me for the additional discount. Now let me show you with one trade. Okay, let me show you with one trade. Okay, now people will ask me whether you are making profit or not. Okay, check this, guys. Right, this is IOCL, right? IOCL. Let me show you how I was able to get the profit. Okay, IOCL, simple, guys, simple funda. Okay, before this, let me remove the price action, right, so that I can show you some plain navigation. Okay, IOCL. Now if, right, IOCL, one second, right, this one, right, let me delete. Now I can tell you that I have captured the market here. What if I say I've captured the market here, right? Finding the bottom is very tough, finding the top is very tough, yes, to some certain, but what I said, I got the price at here. Should I show you, right, with the same price action and the data? Let me show you what is my price action. 200 moving average and the price action. When the price was standing here, that's it guys, when the price was standing here, I had put the alert. See, trading becomes very easy when you do something very simple. Don't complicate it by all the indicators, MACD, RSI, volume, that, this, too much of analysis. Simple boss. Price, what is my price action? Yes, 200 moving average. It took the support of 200 moving average. Absolutely fine, right? And also this is taking the support of my support zone, because this acted as a support 1, support 2, support 3, resistance 1. That's it. Now I said market might go up, IOC might go up, but what does the data says on this day, right? What does the data? Same thing, I'm just repeating guys. What is this date? This is same 26th October. Let me take you to 26th October IOC, right? 26th October, long unwinding, meaning, right, people who went shorted are doing the long unwinding. People who shorted, people who bought somewhere, right, see, they're booking their losses actually. But what happened from 27th, it's a history. So now when I've entered at year, right, 27th I've entered, I've shown you live in my M stock, I've entered here, right, my entry. So why will I exit? Why should I exit if I see the follow-up day was long? This one, longs getting built up, 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 longs getting built up. Why the hell should I exit the trade? I'm just telling you why. I will only exit when I see shorts getting built up. Shorts getting built up for 2 days. Even if there is long unwinding here, I'll not exit, because long unwinding, people who went long here, right, they are doing the profit booking. So that is making the combination of long and long unwinding. People are going long, they're booking their profit. Again, people are going long, they're booking their profit. Right, once I book the profit, fresh people are going long. So I will not exit unless and until I see a shorts getting built up here consecutively for 2 days. And check the magic guys, this is the way, right, that's what I said. And then see, day one I entered, I holded, I entered, I holded, I entered. That's it. Check, within no time, right, it made almost 16% in 10 days. Why should I exit? If I see the long unwinding, market can certain come down, and then it will form a support, and then again market can go up, because you see the longs. Because people who went long here, they'll be doing long unwinding here. People who went long here, they might be profit booking their profit. That is like long unwinding. People who went long here, they might be doing the profit booking here. Okay, trying to getting right. I mean, if I drag the video, I can talk for hours and hours. I'm just telling you on a very high level, but still the video length has went to greater extent, right? But watch this video guys. I mean, if I can make 2 minutes video also, but what will you get with the 2 minutes video? I'm just explaining you live. I'm explaining you live. This is the magic of price action plus data, and I'm showing you now. Let me show you one more stock. Balram Chini. I made almost like 3,000 profit, right? Balram Chini. Why did I enter into Balram Chini? So I can show you hundreds of stock guys. This is a price action, by the way. This is a price action. 200 moving average support, right? This is my falling wedge. Market went up. See, this is forming this kind of parallel channel. That's it. I said maybe this might go up. The moment it came at resistance, go and check the data. If you still see longs are getting built up, trail your stop loss, go long, unless and until you see shorts are getting built up here. Unless and until you see shorts are getting built up, don't exit. Data will help you, because we do not have any top here, right? We do not have any top here. So what reference will you take from the price action, right? And because you have to take the help of the data, right? This video might go private guys. Watch this video. I mean, I'm telling you how see now Balram Chini. Why did I enter into Balram Chini? Right, I can show you hundreds of stocks, right? But I'm see now why did I enter into Balram Chini? Simple boss, simple price action, right? My 200 moving average support. 1 second, there is some issue with my mouse guys. 200 moving, when the market was standing here, that's it, no other thoughts. When the market was standing here, I said boss, go and let's trade it here. That's it. What happened? Even if it comes down, I'll take the 2% loss or 3% loss or 4%. That's up to individual. But what happened? Right? Stock went up. Now the stock stands here. Now the stock stands here. Should I exit? Right? It might retest. I mean to say it might reverse from here or it might go up. What will help? Not the price action. Yes, price action will tell you the levels, but the data, right? Let me show and see you data. And believe me, let me show you the IOC open interest, guys. This is very important. This is one of the tool, IOC. Huge representation. Still, people are participating in IOC with the price at 97%. 97 participation, still huge participation, guys. This is the way you have to trade. If someone is convinced, guys, connect with me, right? WhatsApp me. Believe me, I can give you additional discounts on the concept. Don't trade the way the 99% of the retailers. Am I overcomplicating? Nothing. Simple price action combined with data. What else you need, guys? What else you need? Right? If someone asks the question, let me show you, guys. If someone is watching for the first time, let me show you my profit. One of the gentlemen has asked me in Twitter saying that, boss, are you profitable? Let me show you. Right? I'm just doing it everything live. Let me refresh also my M stock. Let me refresh. I'm just doing refresh. Right? I'll go to this thing. I'll go to reports. I'll go to profit. Every student, majority of the students knows when did I started my M stock. I started on 28th. 20th February. So that is almost like 7 months. 28th October, sorry, February is the start date, and till date, let me, the capital what I've used is 3 lakhs account, right? This is my testing account for all the students. I'll not give any tips recommendation, but I'll share my real trades with them, right? That's it. Now check. With the same system, I made almost like 4 lakhs on a capital of 3 lakhs, which is, now you calculate. Yes, if I go to my positions, there would be some, see, if I go to my position, 98,000 is my loss. I am the only one who shows, right, the profit and the loss. Yes, I mean, these are all blue chip companies, right? I made, even if you like, right, even if you think from 4 lakhs, if I deduct the 98,000, still I made 100%. But believe me, this 98,000 I have made zero. Again, I repeat, guys, this 98,000 I have made zero because I do edging. Right? I play, I mean, I might have zeroed it out, this 98,000, by playing with bearish trades in the Nifty. Simple, guys. Let me show you one thing, right? Let me show you one thing, right? This would help, right? What if Nifty, right? I pretty well know Nifty is taking a resistance here. Now, will I go long? Right now, when the Nifty comes down, I have to control, I have to mitigate the loss of the swing trading. But swing trading will show me losses. So this is where I deploy the put debit spread, the butterflies, the naked put. I mean, this is the way I get the profit from my Nifty. So that either I'll mitigate my loss of my swing trading, or else at times I will get in profit. I mean, believe me, I made all this profit. Even here, I'll not go for swing. I'll rather go for minimizing my loss of my swing by deploying bearish trades in Nifty. And now here I'll not deploy any of the bearish trade. I'll just want Nifty to go up. That's it. Now the next time the bearish trade, I'll deploy it the moment the Nifty comes here. I know there is a resistance. I'll deploy the put debit spread. Even if the market goes up from here, right, my swings will give me huge profit. My loss would be less. So almost I'll have 1:3. That's it. When I'm losing, I lose 1 rupee. When I'm gaining, I gain 3 rupees. That's it. End of the day, 2 rupees is the profit. This is the way I do the edge, and I keep sharing with my students. Now check this, guys. I'm showing you 4 lakhs is a profit what I made, and even this is the 98,000. Technically, I have mitigated the full loss. But even if someone doesn't trust, think that from 4 lakhs, I'll remove this 1 lakh. So 3 lakhs on a capital of 3 lakhs, I made 100% in just mere 7 months. Got it, guys? Now everything is in front of you. Right? These are the only stock. I'll not enter into any blue chip companies. All the stocks will be like, sorry, I mean to say, not into any penny stocks. Now let me show you Balram Chini. Right? Balram Chini. Right? Check this. There is long. Why should I exit from Balram Chini? When I see, right, let me show you guys. The video is becoming lengthy, but it doesn't matter, right? Right? If someone is interested, you are learning something new. Okay, let me delete all these things. Right? Now, why should I exit, right, when I see long? So either there should be one more long, and then the long unwinding. So whenever the long unwinding happens, right, here you see the long unwinding, you can exit, or you can stay because it might bounce back from here. See, now again the video length will become lengthy. Let me show you one stock from my life. Okay, let me show you this stock. Right, this is very important, guys. 1 second. Okay, why did I enter into ICICI Bank? It's simple, guys. This is very important, right? ICICI, and I have something called Zeal. Let me show you, right? ICICI. You will be surprised. That's it. The same plain vanilla price action. That's it. When the market was standing somewhere on the 200 moving average, check the price action. That's it. 200 moving average combined with price action combined with the data. Right? Check this. ICICI. Right? Check the ICICI. Right? Check the naked. Check the top rows. There are like only one short seller, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Rest everything is either green, long unwinding, long short covering. Why did I enter into ZIL? This is very interesting, guys. ZIL. Check the ZIL. Only 3 shorters. 1, 2, 3 short. Rest everything are long. I mean, you will be amazed to see this ZIL price action. See, I am showing you all the profit, loss, everything live. I mean, you now check this beauty of ZIL. Who was stopping you to enter at this position, right? Your 200 moving average, right? That's it, right? 200 moving average support, it went up. Took the support, it went up. Now, go and enter. Who is stopping you? At max, you will get like 1%, 2%, 3% stop loss. But what is the history, right? It made a history, right? That's it. Now, what is the same thing, guys? 26th October, let me take you to ZIL. 26th October, there were long unwinding, there were no short. So if you would have entered into ZIL looking at the data plus the price action plus the 200 moving average, you could have got this profit. You could have got this profit almost, how much? 17% in 8 days. Now check the magic of the price action. If I remove this price action, will you know why the price took the resistance here and why it is taking the support here? That's the beauty of price action. Check this, guys. Check this. Now people will think this as a junk line, but for me this is his lifeline. Check this. Resistance 2 times, took the resistance, multiple candles, took the resistance, multiple candles, resistance, resistance. This is box. Finally this has given the breakout. I pretty well know if the price has to go up, it might resist here, because check this line, check this white line, resistance, resistance, and it might take the resistance. So for me, right, again it came down and now it is taking the support of the previous resistance. Unless and until this breaches, my view will be like side bearish. But if it regains and then it might go up, then what should I wait? I should see for a follow-up candle. That is what your follow-up candle should be. What? A short covering, this one, short covering or long. Two things. The follow-up day today, once the market starts, I should see short covering here. What is the indication of short covering? Again, the video length is becoming, right? This guy went short, he has to book his profit, so he'll do short covering and then followed by longs, fresh longs, and then you'll see the long candle getting built up. So maybe the price might bounce back from here, right? This is the way you have to do the right trading should become easy, guys. Believe me, I can show you hundreds of stock. Let me show you my private telegram. This is my closed telegram, guys, right? This is my closed telegram. That's it. Day in, day out, we discuss about the same thing, right? This is private people who join my paid mentorship program, right? Day in, day out, we'll discuss about the data. Right now, go and check this. Right now, 1 second, guys, go and check this. 1 second. Where is that? What did I say? Right? Zeal, right? Check whether there is open interest, but people are interested or not. So there is no point in you entering into any stock where you do not see representation, decent representation. Let me show you one more thing, right? If at all you want to enter, let me see. I'll show you how the big players, right? Big players' interest should be there. Let's say HAL, Eicher Motor, is a good stock, but there is zero representation, zero OI built up. Bail, zero OI interest, right? Only 1.6%. There is no representation. So do you think market will go up? No. There is no interest from the big players. If I use this tool, within a fraction of seconds, you will get this metrics, right? JK Cement, huge representation, but don't trade based on only the standalone tool. You have to combine it, though it shows huge representation, but what if it has a resistance level? So maybe the stock might come down. Yes, shorters, the big players might be very much interested in terms of getting the stock down, right? Yes, the market price went up for 5 days, it might went up, but now it's a turn for the market for the big players to get this stock down. So don't play only on looking at this data. So guys, I thought of doing it for 5 minutes, but this is one of my best video what I meant to say, because I'm showing you all my trades live. Right, again let me show you all the 4 lakhs profit what I made was just by using this rule based system. And guys, if someone wants to join my rule based system, I'm planning to start a batch from 15th of August. You can just WhatsApp me. Believe me, your trading style will change. Right, don't be rigid saying that I will do only options, options, options. First you have to explore the technical analysis. You should know the footprints of what are the big players doing. You have to play with the data. Unless and until you know the view of the market, don't predict the market. Unless and until you know the view of the market, you cannot sustain in the market. First save your capital, then think about profit. Right, first try to uh, what do we say, right, save your capital. It's impossible to save your capital. Try to blow up your capital with a minute level. Let's say you trade for 3 months. Even if you're blowing up your capital for 10%, you are a smart trader. Right, 6 months, if you're blowing up 30% of your capital, you are a smart trader. 6 months, market will teach you. This is a way. Right, my small account, right, 3 lakhs, I wanted to make it big by compounding. This is my what do we say, vision, guys. Let's see how it goes. So proudly I can say, technically I made 130%. But if you want to consider the loss which I'm having, because no trader can have complete profit, I'm showing you my losses also. This is a profit what I've done. I'm showing you my losses also. No one is right. I mean, there should be some thought process what I put into this stock. But when Nifty goes down, we cannot do anything, right? You have to patiently wait, do the edging in options. Right, I mean, that's a way, guys. So if you like the video, please like it, comment it if you did not like, and also please share with your friends. All right, thank you.